for today's video. Our second day. Yan, today is our day. Pupunta na si Ate Sam sa Shibuya Crossing right away. Yan. Ayan na sila. Shibuya Crossing.
Arrive at your destination.
Yeah. So guys, we are now here at Hachiko. Yeah. Puntahan natin sa Hachiko. There's a lineup here. So pipila tayo kasi last month hindi kami nakapila kay Hachiko. Ang lapot. Yeah. We can make one status for him. This are Hachiko sa buhay natin. Grabe yung init namin. Pinapuwi sa amin ang todo dito. Sa mga gustong mag-visit kay Hachiko, malapit lang siya sa actual crossing. Shibuya Crossing and this side. Ito lang siya. Ayan yung crossing, middle. Tapat ng Starbucks si Hachiko. Go, Nak! Nak, look at here! Nak. Tignan natin ang first experience with that Isami sa burger ng McDo. Since she really likes McDonald's. Right? So soft. Ito na sa McDo. Ang lasa.
May pepper kasi. Yung
No, the
burger.
meat, sobrang soft.
Yeah.
Nagme-melt, di ba? How was it?
Diyan pa rin ako sa Monterey.
Get this. Show them your GoPro. Yes. Wala dyan tayo sa Canada. Jing, 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 jing. Oh, sis, kukuha talaga. Oh my God!
하루에 픽 감사합니다. Small 624 lang.
Sabay mo. Ano siya guys? Estimation.
I think mine is $700.
700 daw yung kanyang...
Kasi ito pa lang, this one is 30.
Depends. Let's
This
see.
one is 700. What about
Okay,
you?
we all have this on our store, but
Well, obviously those are for sale. I
yeah,
can't use
for
those.
business, business is business.
Exactly.
He
And
knows,
then,
she knows that.
what about yours?
Mine is, guys, ano mo, kanya to.
Yours is probably 300.
Yeah. Yours is
700.
700? I don't think so. Maybe,
Or maybe I'm a little off.
maybe
You're better.
400.
You're better guessing.
No, 300.
300? You're,
Yeah.
Okay, mommy said 300.
Later, let's see. We're going to pay.
Tax free.
No. No, I don't think I left more than you.